Good morning, everyone. It is a beautiful day in sunny Puerto Rico. We are going to pick up our good friend Chris, and yeah, he's getting here from New Jersey, and we're gonna go check out some really cool spots today. So stay tuned, stay with me, and like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Let's go. You just picked up my boy over here?
Yeah. What up?
How you feel? How you feel so far?
I'm feeling good, bro. We outside, man. It's the first vacation since COVID started. It's amazing. I can't.
Gotta get out, right?
Gotta do it, bro. You know? F
Alright, so we finally got our breakfast. This is a Mallorca, jamón, queso y huevo. He reciprocated with the same thing. What's the name of yours?
It's called El Dulzón.
El Dulzón, okay. And you always got to get that passion fruit juice, you know?
Yeah, for sure, bro. What's your boys?
Buen provecho, buen provecho. Alright, let's see. Recommended. Alright, everyone, so now we are here in the entrance of Punta Icacos. It's an amazing, beautiful place. So we're gonna start over here. We're actually like in a residential area. You know, we tried to go through Palmas del Mar, but it didn't work out. So we're gonna head this trail. So remember to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Let's go. All right, so we're a little confused right now, but we're gonna head this way, and let's see if we get to the spot. So we're going left. And it looks like this buddy wanted to actually get to the spot, but he didn't make it. It was too hot for him, so he passed away. So rest in peace. But yeah, hopefully we make it. All right, so we tried the left side, but it looks like it's pretty blocked off with trees. So we're gonna go the right side, and the right side looking good. So heading on out.
Oh, that's the path right there. Oh, right.
All right, so make sure you bring some water when you come through this trail. It is blazing hot right now, and I do hear the ocean, so we're getting pretty close. But I do think that we'll be walking here around 10 to 15 minutes till we get to that beautiful location. So yeah. All right, so we reach this zone right here where you either go left or you go right. So make sure you go left on this split. So just got on and we're going left, and hopefully we get there. All right. Alright, so once you get all the way down here, you're going to see a long dirt road. I am going to go left, and hopefully this is the correct way to go to the spot. So I'm going for it. Here we go. Right, so here's a resort area, and here is another trail. I'm heading down this trail, and before we get there, those are my friends back there. Taking a bit to get here, but let's keep leading. All right, so we're still walking here. Getting closer. Oh, this looks amazing. Look at those rock formations out there. Beautiful. And we have gotten to our destination. Check this place out. It is insane. Look at this beach. But there's an even better spot as we move this way. This is the whole point. This is why we actually came here. Check this out. Absolutely. Oh man, this is insane. Look at that. So this is where we have to go down. We have to hold on to this rope. And then we get to go down there. Be very careful, everyone, okay? When you're doing this hike, be very, very careful. Yeah, we definitely did.
Not we, you! And he was like, away.
I got it, bro. All right, so we're officially here in Punta Icacos, Yabucoa, Puerto Rico. Check this out. This is like something you'll see in Europe. It's so beautiful. Look at that, you got the Puerto Rican flag right there. And yeah, this is amazing, amazing. Check it out, you got the crystal clear water. It's sick. Got a beach over there. And you got my boy Chris up there.
Yeah, baby, be outside.
Yo me voy pa' Puerto Rico vendiendo vaso en colores. La islita del corazón, Ramón, la islita de mis amores. Yo me voy pa' Puerto Rico vendiendo vaso en colores. Allá en el mercado me encontré a Maya con su toalla y un vaso, mira, le implore. Yo me voy pa' Puerto Rico vendiendo vaso en colores. Coquitillo, se quemó el coquitillo, la malla, la vajilla y la quincalla, pero mi paso no falla. Yo me voy pa' Pepe, mami, vaya, móntate. Vaya, móntate, barranquíllate, que lo que vengo es castigando la goma. Al son de 380 estoy bateando, quemando liga.
All right, so we're in here. Check this beautiful place out. Look at the views that we got. Rock formations over there. Crystal clear water. It's so beautiful, so amazing. Check this out over here. Look at that. It's sick. And all you gotta do is just walk a little bit. You know, many tourists, they don't like to walk. They don't like to walk at all. I want to stay in resorts, but if you come to Puerto Rico, there's amazing spots that barely any tourist knows and only locals know about. This is certainly one of them, and you get to come here and really enjoy and have a great time. Plus the amazing shots that we're gonna get here, you're gonna see. So make sure you check it out. Punta Icacos.
Another big wheel coming. I see big wheel coming. Oh God. Now Jack is the Mac and he comes around every Monday. Oh, Tuesday and Wednesday. Every day of the week. And even though I try to tell you that I love you from the bottom of my heart, you had no place for me. It's all vanity. Now you fell for one of them sweet lies, the kind you doubt still you wanna believe. When the heart's not hearing what the brain is saying and you're weak in the knees, another sweet lie.
All right, so we decided to go to the beach to the right of Punta Icacos, and seems like it's a beautiful hidden beach, so let's check it out and let's see what we find.
And the roses stopped coming around some time ago, but you won't admit that.
Moving in right now.
You pretend.
Really cool
I know it's hard to look your
tropical looking trail.
wearing the same old shabby dress, so you stay at home, waiting by the phone for another of them sweet lies.
There is a beautiful hidden beach here in Punta Icacos.
When the heart's not hearing what the brain is saying and you're weak in the knees, another sweet lie, the kind you doubt still you won't believe. When the heart's in doubt, you should know to stay out of it. Now it gives me no pleasure to say I told you so. It's been hard to keep it low, knowing the things I know. Maybe in another place and in another time, under different circumstances, you will find evidence. So I suggest don't take foolish chances, no.
All right, so it's time to get into the beach. So I'm gonna sign off from Yabucoa, Puerto Rico. And as always, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more content. All right, peace.
If that's all you pretend, it's hard to